We are aware of the pollution that is caused in forest, soil, and sea as a result of industry processes. Every year, 200 million trees are cut down to make our clothes and accessories, and 6% of the global garment industry uses forest-derived fabrics. The ancestral materials have been replaced by synthetic materials based on technified processes that pollute and affect the environment. Most native people make their accessories with pine needles, making the trees a part of themselves. The making process starts with the collection and harvesting of native plants, then the drying process and finishing with the embroidering process to create products such as baskets, bags, earrings, and others. Agave and pine are the raw materials that have been used for thousands of years by our native people from Abya Yala. Unfortunately, due to colonization and other social factors, they are unable to sell their products at a fair price and enough quantity to have a stable economic income for their families. The World Bank details that 19% of the world's indigenous population lives in extreme poverty. Artisans manage to sell their products in the informal market due to lack of access to advertising media and formal market. Kaji takes part in the solution of these problems. How? The collection of pine leaves reduces the acidity of the soil, making the pine a tree suitable for intercropping, and the use of agave as a biodegradable yarn makes it a resistant, flexible, and organic product. By marketing products that contribute to the preservation of the environment, we are contributing to a stable economic income for artisans, native people, and their communities from Guatemala, Mexico, and Ecuador. Our product is compostable. The bags would not contaminate. Once the bags are discarded, this would return to soil. If given a proper composting process, the cycle of decomposition is fulfilled between 3 to 8 months. To make all this happen, we need diversity of people and cultures. Our team is made up of Wendy Esquid, Maya Cachical from Guatemala, Loridalma Miguel, Maya Anjobal from Guatemala, Teresa Vázquez, Maya Soque from Mexico, Ana Morales, Maya Cachiquel Quiche from Guatemala, and Yesenia Marmol, Karanki Kishra from Ecuador. The main objective of the company is to promote the development and economic growth of the communities of Abya Yala SDG 8, provide technical advice to customers on how to compose the pine bags and direct them to nearby institutions, SDG 12, establish pine plantations and provide forestry management to primary and secondary forests, SDG 13 and 15. A survey was launched to 66 people as a sample of a population of 1,500 people of different nationalities at Earth University, where they highlighted that 71.2% of the population prefers bags of a size of 30 by 15 centimeters. The sections and additions to the handbag were also evaluated. 39.4% said they needed a secure zip pocket. We seek to generate jobs for native people following our relationship with nature and individual well-being, along with coexistence and community well-being. From a financial point of view, we seek to invest around $677,000, reaching a break-even point by selling around 16,000 handbags with a selling price of $40.5. Each year, the demand will increase by 4.5%. Studies show that the profitability is 67.85%. Our marketing locations are physical places, restaurants, lakeside stands, hotels, national and international fairs, online store with shipping throughout the country with communication through social networks and webpage. Our project shares knowledge development, railing the wise hands of the artisans and all that Mother Nature gives us. We are Kaji.